in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey, boys, today we're checking out the cheapest jewelry ever to pass a diamond tester, potentially. They claim. Good title, bro. Don't, like, quote me on that, like, cheapest ever. Like, we've unboxed so much stuff, you know what I mean? But, like, it's definitely up there with this price point. It's probably, like, top 2, you know? Top 5, maybe top 10, but very cheap. Welcome back to Shadow BAN brand, by the way, though, boys. We're calling ourselves, so YouTube, put some respect on my name. If you guys want to help switch it, I'm just kidding, YouTube. I don't want to, like, get in trouble or anything. I take it back. Nah, just thumbs up, comment down below. Hopefully that helps, man. Let's get into it. Alright, bro, so, packages that come in the mail, right? You should be pretty stoked about them, correct? No! Not at all, actually. So, this came after 6 months. Actually, a lot more. We're gonna have a bunch of weird shit to unbox from months ago. God only knows what those are, because I used to like just shop a lot while DRUNK. Now we're sober, so gonna see how good those ideas were. This came after 6 months. I'm gonna just put it out there right now. Didn't know what it was till I checked the tracking number. Thankfully, I'm somewhat organized with this, where I checked my notes, matched the tracking number. Here's the catch, boys. I saw right beside my notes, not paid, refused. Got me thinking a little bit, boys. I fucking remember this happening. The company backed out on our deal to sponsor this video. So this is a little embarrassing. I'm still gonna do the video. There's just gonna be no links. If you guys want the link, hit me up on Instagram. I'll send it to you personally. I've done this too long to do shit for free, bro. And actually, hold my beer for a second. I gotta flex. Not paying because the views are lower. Fair enough. They'll pay me, bro. It's fine. Although, if you look, even with 1,000 views, the turnaround time, that's not the right word. The turnaround on people buying things through like the views I get is very high. You know what I mean? I don't put links often. When I do, they win. The companies that pay me. On top of that, bro, and I'm gonna chill in a second, companies are paying me a good amount of money to just do their Instagram ads, bro, not even on YouTube. So you've lost. Long story short, I'm salty I didn't get paid. To be 100% honest with you guys. Now I'm getting hot and I'm all agitated. Woo! Got it out of my system, my bad, my bad. Anyway, boys, NameBran doesn't get played with. Wu-Tang Clan, protect your neck. Cause I'm coming after it, figuratively, YouTube, sorry. Alright, boys, my bad. Chilled the F out. Took a little chilled the F out pill, if you catch what I'm saying. I actually just made a coffee. I don't know if that's gonna help. Boys, right here, the package cover and everything. I hope so. Alright, so this was $75 according to the package, which is relatively insane for what would be moissanite if what they claim is true, that it passes a diamond tester. This is actually from, like, pretty much AliExpress. The company goes through there. Hit them up. They sent it for free. Your loss now, motherfucker. Sorry, I gotta chill still. But that would be remarkable if it did work. We got the diamond tester right here. Like I say, if it does work out, that's sick. I don't actually remember even what it looks like. I just got the notes that I had. Alright, fun part, boys. Let's get into it. Let me know also, boys, if you do want more diamond tester videos. Do you want different jewelry videos? You guys are really good. Okay, we got in the hand. You guys are really good at just like let me know what you want to see. So definitely keep hit me up on Instagram or in the comments down below and let me know. We could do whatever. We could even unbox Gucci. Maybe we can't do that. It's way too expensive. I regret buying this every day of my life. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I put it on to flex to the company because I'm gonna send them this video and be like, hey man, I don't need your money, but it would be helpful. Boys, here we go. The damn ring. Okay. So, I think they're lying. One, because there's no damn box. I don't think I've ever seen any moissanite without a box. You're just putting it in a bag like an asshole. And here she is, boys, the diamond ring. Now, you want me to keep it a buck with you? These guys are lying scumbags, bro. I'm really trying to keep. I have seen this ring one too many times, boys. I swear to God, we've unboxed stuff quite like it before. There is no way this is passing. Let's see. Not silver, which is not a good sign. Silver generally, or at least they don't have the stamping on it. Usually they put silver on moissanite because it just makes sense. Maybe that's why it's cheaper. Now, if it does pass, we got something cool here. But I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, it's not going to. Now this whole not paying NameBran thing is starting to make a little sense. It's alright though, it's alright. I was gonna go in more detail about the ring because this would have been a sponsorship, but I don't need to. You see what it is? Boys, will it pass a diamond tester? If it does also, I'll give it away to one of you guys on G. G-Mean and Gary, a really nice guy I met the other day. Just super cool dude. Saw him at the street corner, needed a ride. Took my wallet, but you know, so I'll give it back later. But not wasting any more time, the real premise of this video is if it doesn't pass a diamond tester, that's when we put the link down below and their email. I don't know if you can do that, but I'll talk to my lawyer. To be fair, boys, I'm really hoping this doesn't pass, but let's just go. Diamond tester engaged. Shout out Harlem Bling. I think they sent this to me a little while ago. Somebody who did pay me. This is awesome. I really respect those companies. Can I say that? It was a known sponsorship. I could say that. Moment of truth, boys. Here's a stupid ring. Set it to green. Boys, if it's real, this is how it looks if you don't know already. Oh, God. Bad sign. Hold on. This is real, bro. So that's what happens I just did that to flex. This is a flexing day, man. My ego's been hurt too much. Look what doesn't pass. Lying scumbags! Oh! Oh no! Oh, I made that. I gotta think. I made that table. I just dented it. And the wall that it bounced off of. Ah! There you go. It didn't pass. They lied to me. Actually, I think this was probably, I don't know what it was. Now I don't get the video though. This is what I think about after filming, apparently. Now I don't get why I'm doing this if you can't even. I'm actually just not gonna do one of these videos again where a company doesn't pay. I think we lost the premise. But it's alright. You got me BAITCHing for a video. That's fine, right? Then I showed you jewelry as a bonus. You saw a man get whittled down as he talked. His ego absolutely diminished, destroyed, obliterated, if you will. I think that's content right there, no? You guys let me know. I'm sweating like a mother effer. I shouldn't have worn the Gucci shirt. It's already hot as hell down here, but I had to flex for my ego's sake. There we go. You got entertainment. That's it. I'm not apologizing for nothing. Bye. Love you.